Hello, brothers and sisters in Christ. My dog and I are outside, and I just want to show you something. It's a little creepy. This is the second one in a week. No. You see this? This dead bird. Oh my goodness. Now, I thought the other one was probably from these electric lines. I want you to notice, directly overhead, yeah, they're over here. You think this bird could have fallen at an angle? It should have fallen over here. The lines are over this dirt. They're not over here. Unless an animal drug it over here. But usually if an animal picks up a dead bird, like my dog just tried to do, they're going to take it farther than 2 feet. Am I reading something into this? Or is there something in the air? I don't know. I just found it very creepy and just wanted to share that with you. Ugh. All right. Try to get this uploaded and see what you think. Kind of cool out here today. November 9th. Mr. Trump is our new president. Supposedly. We'll see what happens between now and January 21st. When he becomes 70 years, 7 months, and 7 days old on January 21st. All right. Bye-bye for now. Poor little bird.